Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2003 to 2009 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. With a 12mm socket, remove the bolts holding the air pump in place. Then, remove any lines and brackets from the work area to prevent them from getting damaged. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark its coverage 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the frame. Cut on the marked line and remove the bottom of the frame. Then, clean the frame free of rust and debris. Step 4. Tack weld the new center section into place. Then, weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent any further corrosion. Then you're done!